In this video, I will show you how to clear the host cache in Chrome step by step. Clearing the host cache can help fix website loading problems, DNS related errors, and connection issues, which makes it a useful troubleshooting step if certain websites aren't working properly in Google Chrome. Before we do continue, if you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel for more quick and easy Chrome tutorials, tech tips, and troubleshooting guides. Now, to do this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, you want to come up to the address bar at the top and type the following address, which is Chrome followed by a colon and then 2 forward slashes. Then what you want to do is type net-internals /# DNS. Now, once you've typed that in, hit enter on your keyboard. What that's going to do is take you over to a screen like this. Now, from here, what you can do, you can see there's a button here to clear host cache. All you need to do is simply give that a click, and that's going to clear your DNS host cache. Now, after doing this, you should have fixed any potential problems with loading up websites and things like that. But if you are still experiencing some problems, what you can also do is come up to the top right-hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the 3 dots up here, and come and hover over the help option at the bottom. Now, on this submenu that comes up, if you click onto About Google Chrome, and if there's any updates available for Chrome, what you want to do is update to the latest version of Chrome, which again should fix any potential problems if you're having any problems visiting websites or things like that with Google Chrome. So that's how to clear your host cache in Chrome. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.